to Insight Learners. So in this video we have multiple job updates, so we shall quickly go through one by one. So we have the latest openings from the top tech firms. So the first one is HSBC hiring, so for the role of software engineer, and the job or the work location it is Pune, and the tech stack or the skills needed is you need to be familiar with the OOPS concepts as well as Java programming, and the salary or the CTC it is 11 to 18 lakhs per annum. And the second company it's Atlassian hiring, and for the job role software engineer, and the work location it is Bangalore, and the skills needed is you need to be familiar with JavaScript, HTML and CSS, and the salary or the CTC it is 22 to 45 lakhs per annum. And the third company, so Google is hiring for the role of software engineer, and the location it is Bangalore, and the skills needed it is for C or C++ programming, and the salary or the CTC it is 22 to 35 lakhs per annum. So we shall quickly see each job roles in detail and how to apply for that particular job role. So the first thing is the HSBC. So the HSBC it is basically they are hiring for Android developer or software engineer, and you can see the location it is Pune, and it is like work from office. So these are the complete requirements, like you need to have knowledge of, for software engineer you need to have knowledge of OOPS concepts and design patterns, and for Android developer you need to be familiar with coding in Android as well as Kotlin, and one should have knowledge of Jira tracking everything, and also experience in DevOps, Agile methodologies and everything. And the qualification needed, so it is for graduates, that is even MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So you can see the apply link, so you can just click on apply. So proceed further. So here you just need to log in, so you can create your account, and then you can just start filling your application, or you can directly apply with LinkedIn. So you can choose any of the ways and you can just apply for this particular job role. And the second thing is Atlassian, so they are hiring for software engineer. So you can see the experience needed, so 1+ years of experience needed, and you need to have knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also it is good to have knowledge of frameworks like React or Angular. So this is the main skill which is needed, and here you can see apply for the job. So they did not mention any particular criteria or anything, so you can just apply for this particular job role. So you have two ways, you can directly autofill, apply with LinkedIn, or you can fill manually. The next thing is you can just upload your updated resume, so do mention the skills they have mentioned, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and either one framework. So after that you can enter your full name and your email address and your phone number, and if you are working in any of the companies, so do mention that, and do add some of the links like LinkedIn URL. If you have any of the like GitHub portfolio, do add that. And if you have any other websites, like if you have done any of the projects related to front end, any websites or anything, so you can add that. It will be added advantage to shortlist your profile. And then afterwards you can just select your location, and then you can just submit the application form. So this is all about the Atlassian company. And the third one, it's a Google. So the skills needed, as discussed, the skills needed, so you need to have knowledge of C or C++ programming, and the qualification needed, so bachelor's degree in computer science or any other equivalent branches, so they are also eligible to apply. So main skill is C or C++, and then like if you have other knowledge of embedded system development, RTOS concepts, device drivers and hardware or software integration, so it will be added advantage. And for the Google, so you just need to have knowledge of data structures and algorithms, and also good knowledge of software design. So you can see the salary CTC, so they are providing 22 to 35 LPA. So based on that you need to have knowledge of data structures and system design, which is the must. So you can just prepare accordingly and apply for all these job roles. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.